CL is a part of a group called 21, and that was my first introduction to that group. K-pop has consumed my life on many different levels. I'll like wake up in the morning and I'll watch YouTube videos of any like new K-pop performances that I've missed. I love CL because I read an interview of hers maybe a couple of years ago where she talks about being a role model for a lot of younger Asian women who look up to her. She mentioned that, you know, a lot of people are sort of afraid to kind of come out of their shells and fully represent themselves as like this creative, human, expressive being. She's trying to encourage these younger women to sort of embrace that. If I were to meet CL, I would ask her if we could be friends because I think she's so cool. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe down below. In this first look, CL is performing with 21 during Iggy's Best New Band concert in 2011. It is reminiscent of one of her looks in the I Am the Best music video, from her outfit to her hair. It is a distinct look from early on in her music career. For her eyes, she has winged out eyeshadow. CL's hair is pulled into a long dramatic ponytail and she has a full set of bangs. For her lips, she has a nude gloss. Okay. Yay! Oh my god! I do look like a complete... This doesn't look like me! Oh my god. Oh, I like the eyes. I've never had this hair color before, so it's kind of fun. Oh my god. Ooh. The second look is from a Tiffany T launch party in 2014. CL is a few years into her music career. She is starting to experiment more with her look. For her makeup, she has sharp long wings with a little bit of black shadow smudged on her lower lash line. She has platinum blonde hair that is braided together in a side fishtail. The look is finished with a glossy red lip. What? This is so crazy! Oh my gosh. This one I feel like it could be a different version of me. I look like a rich housewife. You guys really outdid yourselves. My hair looks good. I feel fancy. Fancy and famous. Woohoo! Bye-bye. This last look is from New York Fashion Week in 2016. This look is what CL is known for today, where she has pursued more of a solo career and released her own singles such as Hello Bitches. Her makeup is very intense. Her eyelids have a base of bronze eyeshadow with an intense black wing on top. Her base is more contoured than previous looks. As seen in her singles, she is rocking teased out gray hair. And on her lips, she has a vampy berry lip. Whoa! Now I really look famous. This is good, guys. I feel like this is like an actual K-pop star look, I think, for me. My hair is really cool and my makeup is bomb.com. The first one I felt like a shock to the system, maybe because it was my first transformation. And the second one I felt like a rich mom, which was great because that's me in the future. This one's my favorite one. I feel like this one's the most me. I feel like I'm ready for my debut as a K-pop star. I feel like transformed. I've evolved. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next time in the comments down below. To subscribe to Refinery29's YouTube channel, click here. And to watch more videos, click here.